important to come to the Food and Drink Expo just so that we get to try a lot of different products and be out trying food again, bouncing ideas off everyone and just spark new ideas.
We chose to visit the Food and Drink Expo today because we have a farm shop. We sell meats that we produce on the farm, but alongside that we're looking to expand our range and be more diversified in what we sell on the farm shop.
It has benefited us because we've realised how many different opportunities there are, how many different producers there are out there who could feed into us. It's given us some exciting choices as to where we might develop the content of what we sell. So we're kind of going back with lots of leaflets, lots of samples, an incredible olive oil to kind of see how we can restock and re-inspire our shelves and our customers.
I think for us, seeing existing producers that we already buy off is just nice to come and meet them face to face, see what new products we've got, because they can tell you on the phone, but it's just nice to come and see them and see people in person. It just comes out for a bit of inspiration, really. Seeing new products, we'll land upon something new and taste something and go, wow, we could really make that work. It's inspiration, I think. Just getting out and seeing different products.
Just a really good opportunity for me to scope out new suppliers. There's so many different areas that we look after, and it's just great to see so many different suppliers after so long of not being able to get out. So it's a great opportunity to just look at new trends as well as potential suppliers.
We're really excited to be up for an award this afternoon. So we are regional finalists for Farm Shop of the Year award. So that's why I've made the trip over here today. And it feels really great to be here. It feels an honour to have been in the finalists. And so fingers crossed we pick up a win today. But failing all else, we've got to meet lots of nice people, got to try lots of new products. And so, lots of exciting ideas to go back to Norfolk with.
It's important for us to take time out of our business to ensure that we keep up to date with the current products, see what other competitors are doing, and try and keep the products we sell in the farm shop fresh.
It opens you up to new things that you've not really thought about, or bits of information that you don't necessarily think you were looking for, and suddenly you're like, oh, that's an interesting concept. So it brings, you come and experience new things that you weren't necessarily looking for, really. You didn't know you were interested in something, but suddenly something's new and exciting.
We want to be able to, as buyers for our customers, we want to be able to taste that as well, discover the stories and the histories behind it, and then be able to pass it on to our customers should we decide to stock it.
We've met some really interesting people so far today, seeing the way that people respond to their products, imagining how we could use those in our shop. I think there's where a lot of the value comes.
So today I'm mainly here to look at more free-from opportunities, new suppliers. It's such a growing area, and there's gaps in our range which we want to fill, and the Food Expo is a really good place to find those gaps.
Different products, different drinks maybe, accompaniments, truffle oils, those sort of things. Interesting because we're very specific about what we look for. We like independent, we like really small producers, we like ethical production. So it's been really trying to find those little producers that fit alongside the small but exciting artisan cheesemakers that we work with.
Well, I'd certainly recommend people come to the Food and Drink Expo, because if you don't come, you don't know what's here and you don't know what's out there. And it's an insight into lots of different new products. There's quite a few new exhibitors as well as long established ones. And the only way to keep up with the market is to come and have a look at these sort of events.
It's a unique opportunity for a business like us. You know, we're based out in the middle of the countryside over in Norfolk, and so to come together with so many different industry experts, new businesses just starting, people who are really experienced, it's really valuable for us. Our business has only been running for about 1.5 years, 2 years. It started in the pandemic, and so to gain industry expert advice, to listen to what other challenges similar businesses have faced, it's so useful for us, and it's all housed under one roof like this. So yeah, we're really lucky to be here.
3 words I'd sum up the Food and Drink Expo would be buzzing, vibrant and informative.
You need to come to Food and Drink Expo just to revitalise your own head, to realise that there's thousands of the products out there, some of them which might fit into what you do.
Get out, meet people, see what's on the market, what's new, food trends, what's new in the industry. You've got to get out and see what's going on.